Folks, we're still working in spring right here in the kitchenette, and we're changing out curtains, and I thought you might want to see rearranging and puffing up our plants right here on my take on home and garden. Okay guys, so we usually don't change out the curtains every season. This year we wanted to. So you can't believe, I don't know if it's something to do with age, but something said we wanted to maybe go to the birds. Both of us. So we come up with these. I think you'll agree they're pretty darn cute. So that's what I'm doing. All the curtains in the kitchen, the kitchenette, and the dining space are going to get changed out. So let's see what we got to do here. This one, I've loosened all the thumb screws and brackets. This, of course, is the good time to wash them. We love these. There's nothing wrong with them. So we're going to puff up our plants, change the curtains. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get in. Oh my goodness. Look. Guys, look how fresh and spring-like with these new curtains with the blue birds and the white. And it's not just blue and white, you know. We're moving on past blue and white. I said that in the other video. I think the big table that you will have seen before you get to see this one. And oh my goodness, I'm really getting happy with that. You know, at Christmas time when we bring a tree in here, where we always have all our plants, well, some of our plants, they gotta go somewhere, so they go up to the master bedroom. And I'm gonna bring some of them back. She needs a little mist. If you saw our video last year refreshing our indoor plants, you know I like a little Miracle Grow in the plant spray bottle with a little aloe in any of your new water, because the aloe will take the chlorine and knock it down, knock it out. You guys up in the frozen wasteland, you're going to be mad at me now. I just got a white rose from Lowe's that's called Iceberg. And it's off the chain good. Okay, so here's a variegated Chiflora. First, you saw the standard go in the living room. We have these outside, and of course here in Florida they last and they make it. Oh my goodness sake. I always look to use every inch I can and save the walking space. You've heard me before. Plants do have priority here. Sorry, I told everybody. Angela gets mad at me. She said, the garden's outside. I don't want the garden back all in front of this window. So you can imagine. Anybody else gotta hear that? I got an azalea that it's just coming into bloom. The buds are opening. Unbelievable, folks. Our little Easter garden with the tulips, hyacinths, grape hyacinths, daffodils. It's already on the way out. Can you believe it? I'm sure you can believe it because they don't last. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it, loving it. So, folks, I got one more let me show you. One more window. And it's time for red roses to go. They're going away. And guess what? White roses are coming in. So Valentine's was yesterday. We're gonna get those ferns out and save them. The berries I had in there. The baby's breath. And we'll use that again. Okay, so I'm getting this liner backer curtain on the rod. Yes, Charlotte, he does curtains too. I can just... She's gonna be mad at me. I keep quoting her. No, she's so cute. She's been with us almost from the beginning. Now this was a wider window, so again, 2 volants to take care of that. Bright and happy. That's what we need around these goofy times. Alright, I know Jean up in Virginia, she'll be marking everything down if I'm doing it right. Because she's got a cute place. Right, Jeannie? I had an Aunt Jean and she reminds me of her and she's so cute. And they have a channel. Jean E. They got some cute decor going on. There we are. Oh my goodness. Now, all I can think of is I gotta take you and show you all around.
I was lost or I was found, nothing ever in between, shedding tears or extremely happy. Got no one
Alrighty folks, so if you liked our video today, you know the drill. Give us a like, a share, or a comment. Send Aunt Gladys over and Uncle Mel. Tell them how much fun we have and all the beautiful. Thanks guys. You know you can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. Be good, take care now everybody, and we'll see you in the next uptown, over the top, exciting decor video.